After the Sitatumo experience, we moved back to the dryland to start chasing antelopes. We took some time off to visit the Murchison Falls, where the massive Nile River passes through a narrow channel just a few yards wide. We also had the chance to check all the wildlife from the national park, from hippos and crocodiles to buffaloes and elephants, including also a bunch of different antelopes. The bushducker is a species that does not respond well to calling, so its spot stalk was the only option. It was a lot of fun chasing those little guys.
Well, good shot, mate.
We hunted for the Uganda cub too, an iconic game animal of the country. They live in large herds consisting of one dominant buck and around a dozen does. Definitely too many eyes for getting into bow range. I got to spend some time hunting with my dad too. He was able to connect with a really nice water buck after lots of hours stalking in that tall grass. It was really awesome to share that moment together.
It was a 100-meter shot.
One of my favorite animals from Africa is the bushbuck. They are so similar to roe deer that I felt like I was hunting at home, but on a completely different terrain. The area they live in is perfect for spot and stalk with bow and arrow, so we had lots of action until we finally spotted the right buck. Such an awesome experience.
That's it, perfect shot. Nice, dude.
Overall, Uganda was a spectacular trip and one of our best safaris in Africa so far. For me, a vital aspect of hunting is the discovery of new cultures, game animals, and hunting territories. If you top that with family, new friends, and a lot of hunting action, you can define it as a hunt of life.